Hello, I finally got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I have it right here with me. But first, I do want to just show you this. I just got it framed up, that's why this is a framed poster for Billy. It's autographed. That's it. That's all I wanted to show you. Okay. I have been following this camera ever since it came out, and I've put off getting it because I told myself I didn't need it. I have a Canon EOS R5, I have a G7X Mark II, I have my cell phone, and only now I've come around to actually purchasing it. And I do have accessories, but they are coming in a little bit. I ordered all of these things online. So let's get started. I'm very, very excited. I got the creator combo, of course. Grab some popcorn because I feel like this video will be minimally edited. I kind of want to savor this moment, so I want you guys to experience the same sort of thing as well. So I ordered this off of the DJI website. I also got a micro SD card along with it. That's pretty much it. So I got the creator combo and a 128 gigabyte micro SD card. I also got the DJI Care thing, or whatever it is. So the more I vlogged this year, the more I realized that I wanted something more compact and discreet. So I really love the image quality that I get with my EOS R5. It's not the most subtle thing in the world. Everyone's gonna look at you and like, is this guy a photographer or something? Why does he have a huge camera out? So with this is going to be a lot more subtler, and less people are going to notice me documenting my life. Yes, the EOS R5 has its place. I still am going to carry it around and film stuff with it, but I feel like this is going to be my main vlogging camera from now on. There's other stuff too, like why I'm not using my G7X or my phone, but I'm sure that's a story for another day. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I think I have to take the plastic off first before I take out that little tab. Plastic is off. I'm sure you've seen 100 unboxings at this point. So if you're still here, you're probably contemplating whether if you should get one or not. And I haven't even gotten mine open yet, but I'm gonna say it's 100% worth the investment. Oh, that was strong. I shouldn't have taken like a full-on whiff of that. Got some documentation, DJI app, blah, blah, blah. We get stickers too. Stickers are always nice. Let's get this unboxed first. That is literally it. So this is the protective case for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's nice, but I don't think I'm going to be using it. I have a third-party one from Sunny Life coming in. So inside you can fit the wide-angle lens and the black Pro Mist filter. It's nice, but it is a little clunky, although it is protective. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. I find it funny that there's still a tag attached to this thing. I think you just tear it, right? I could use my knife, but it's too late. Nice. Oh yeah. So this isn't the first time that I've seen this thing. My friend actually owns one, so I had a chance to play around with it. I'm gonna just get straight to the point. And this is the thing. It's heftier than I remember. Nice. Pretty satisfying. I don't even read what it says. Rotating power on off and zero press once. Power on, take photos or record, press and hold power off. And apparently this is a 5D joystick. This is the bad boy. Should we power it on? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So yes, English, activate before use. I will have to do that later. But let's get everything else unboxed. We've got the DJI Mic 2, just one of the transmitters. I do have the set with the charging case and everything, but I guess it is nice to get one of these. Oh yeah, by the way, the mic minis came out. I tried ordering them, but they were sold out. Kind of a bummer, but what else can you do? I'll try to get my hands on a set when they get back in stock. I believe this is the battery grip. It's pretty hefty. Just gives your Osmo Pocket a little bit of extra juice. And then there's like a little, another label. Oh, I pressed the button and the light turned green. Next up, we got, it looks like the tripod. Again, I'm going slow because I'm savoring the moment, and you probably would want to savor the moment as well when you get yours. If you are still contemplating or if you're waiting for yours and you're watching my video, first things first, I appreciate you, and you're gonna love it. So there's also another attachment for this. You can do it with the battery grip, but I believe this is the thingy. Yeah, let's unbox this one really quick. It literally is just an extension in order for you to use a tripod mount, as well as the USB-C is redirected to the side now, so you can, I guess it's more convenient, I don't know. So now we got this little thing. It's not so pocketable anymore, but it's still pretty small. Nice. There's a couple more things inside. This is the wide angle lens. Not sure how often I'll be using this thing, but that's that. Ah yes, you've got the wind muff, dead cat, whatever you want to call it, for the DJI Mic 2. So it just clicks on like that. Looks extra cute now. A lanyard, wrist strap, whatever you want to call it. I think a lanyard is for the neck, whereas the wrist strap is for the wrist. Ooh. Candy for the trolls, as Flossie Carter would say. And a USB-C to USB-C cable, which I am not going to open because I have a bunch of these. So I'll just keep it as is. Oh, here is the magnet. So this is the magnet, and I'm just gonna attach it. There we go. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the micro SD card here. Bam, Kingston 128 gigs. I might upgrade to 256. It is Black Friday after all. I actually don't know where the micro SD card is located. Missed one of these. Let's find it together, shall we? Oh, here's where you can attach the wrist strap. Oh, it's right there. So it looks like it isn't covered. It's just there. So it's just on the side here. Man, you need a fingernail. There we go. Okay. Gonna grab my phone and we will set this up. Look at this. I'm gonna do it. Beautiful. So I guess scan the QR code to download DJI Mimo. Let's do that, shall we? Hello? Okay. I'm gonna get this set up and I will be right back. Okay. So now that the unboxing portion is out of the way, I just want to talk about this thing, yap, if you will. And I haven't really played around with it, not gonna lie, but it's super cool right off the bat. D-Log is gonna be pretty fun to play with, and it's just super cool. I don't know why I thought at first it would be kind of gimmicky, but it's actually very, very functional. And the accessories that I got along with it will just make it the ultimate vlogging camera in my opinion. I wonder if like in a few months or even sooner, or I don't even know, DJI will release the Osmo Pocket 4 or something, and then I'm going to be like, oh man, I shouldn't have bought this thing. But I think I would just invest in the Osmo Pocket 4 right off the bat if I'm able to get my hands on one, because I feel like that would be the camera that sells out. It's going to be like the X106 of the DJI world. But this is precisely why I wanted it. Like, this is super tiny and it's unsuspecting. I feel like in some scenarios, if you don't have the grip enabled or on attached, it's a lot more subtle than an actual phone. I don't know why I said actual phone, like an iPhone or something, especially since this is, I feel as though this has a larger footprint than this. So that was like the main reason why that I wanted something like this instead of an iPhone. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see more Osmo Pocket 3 content, because I'm going to be making a lot of content with this thing and about it. It's awesome. The accessories that I got are mostly off of AliExpress. So that's why it's going to take a bit for it to come. But they're actually, I don't even know if it's like genuine products, but it's from this brand. I'm pretty sure you know it if you're in the camera world, Ulanzi. And I got their little tripod, that like little 3-legged tripod that's super tiny. It's tinier than this. I also got their magnetic attachment. So I didn't opt for like that magnetic cage, or the metal cage, not magnetic. And then people like to put another like magnetic attachment. I don't see the use for that magnetic cage other than putting the magnetic attachment. So if I could just get rid of that and just have an attachment that has the magnet already, if that makes sense, it would make everything a whole lot smaller, I think, and more convenient to use. And then the attachment that I got is from K&F. It's pretty much the same thing as the DJI one, except it's smaller. It does have orange accents because it is, again, K&F, that's their like branding or whatever. But it's half the size. It has like the GoPro or the action camera attachment on the bottom. So in addition to the tripod, I would be able to put it on like an action camera mount. And it's tinier. It's half the size again of the DJI one. So pretty excited. I kind of want to do like a little video of this, so let's go ahead and start it. Hello. This is what it looks like. This is with the wide angle lens. Oops, I'm zooming in. This is without. With, without. And then this is what my setup looks like at the moment. I have my R5 on the Peak Design tripod, and then an extra light here just so that I can light up what's in front of me. You can kind of see the softbox right there, which I didn't really keep in mind, but I think it looks all right. Other than that, that's pretty much it. This is honestly gonna be a game changer for me. I can already feel it. I'm super excited to put this to use, make my investment work for itself. Does that make sense? I'm trying to earn my money back from what I invested with this thing. This thing has been recording the whole time. But this is honestly the best investment that I've made in 2024, probably. Other than those trips, this is the only camera that I bought in 2024. I'm not even going to try using this thing, I think. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know what you want to watch next, but click this if you want to stay on my channel. Other than that, thanks for listening. You're so far away. Oh, I'm still recording. That's all awkward.